Audi introduces the limited edition Audi RS7 Sportback. Only 23 units were produced, and prices began at $165,400. Before continuing to watch this video, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest news updates. The engine used by the Audi RS7 Sportback, which debuted on the CarScoops page today, Friday, July 8, 2022, is the same as the normal model, producing 591 HP and 799 Nm of torque. The automobile travels from 0 to 62 km per hour in 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 306 km per hour. If the engine remains the same as the ordinary model, what distinguishes this limited edition Audi RS7 Sportback? This automobile, in addition to being restricted in production, offers unique equipment and design aspects not seen on the ordinary Audi RS7. Each unit has the special Mamba Black Pearl Effect color, which is said to show blue under black paint discreetly. Brake rotors and blue calipers are used on the latest Audi RS7. Blue light markings can also be found on the Audi laser LED headlights, as well as the handrests, dashboard, center console trim, floor mats, and top door panels, which include Sepping blue stitching. Audi stated that the new special Audi RS7 Sportback will only be available until the end of summer or the end of 2022.